Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the KERAMIK 14-inch high full-size bed frame, a perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. This full-size platform bed frame is expertly crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring long-term stability and eliminating the need for a box spring, providing optimal support and comfort directly to your mattress. With its easy assembly process, you can have your bed frame set up in just 20 minutes, even if you have no DIY experience. The smooth, round edges not only add a sleek touch to your bedroom but also enhance safety by minimizing the risk of accidents. Plus, this bed frame offers ample under-bed storage, making it ideal for storing extra bedding and more, helping you maximize your space efficiently. Whether you're upgrading your bedroom or setting up a guest room, the KERAMIK bed frame is designed to meet your needs with its heavy-duty construction and thoughtful design. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this overview helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.